What's up, YouTube family? It's me, host Elise. I know you guys probably wondering, oh, why he's making the video by himself? You know, Yaz is working right now. She's a pilot for Elite. What are you, babe?
Paraprofessional.
She's a paraprofessional. Bear with me, I have a weird way of saying words. But today's video is gonna be about stock, how to invest, where to go to invest, etc., etc. So basically the fundamental of how to start investing. Because sometimes people don't know how to invest, don't have the money to invest, or are too scared to invest. 45% of Americans don't invest in the stock market. I think it's 45 or 55% of people don't invest into the stock market. And again, for those three reasons, they don't know where to start, they don't have the money, or they're too scared. And I like to live by the third one, meaning too scared. Saying that scared money don't make money. So if you're scared to make money, you ain't gonna make money. So a lot of people say you gotta have money to make money, which is true, but there's ways around that, and I'll cheat you. So stay with me to the end of the video so you can learn how you can get a free stock by joining my trading platform, which I use RobinHood, by the way. So I'll leave the link below so you guys can download the RobinHood app. You'll get a free stock and I'll get a free stock. So I approximately have referred, I believe, a total of like 20 people so far, and I got some great stocks. I got my biggest stock that I got was a Apple stock for free. We're gonna talk about the basics of investing, how to invest, and at the end of the video, again, I'm gonna give you guys a cool stock. I'm gonna do this every video I make. I'm gonna recommend the stock, and for the purpose of this video, I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes. So let's get right to it. So the first thing I like to do when I wake up in the morning, as y'all know, I'm in the East Coast. So the market opens here at 9 a.m., but you don't start trading till 9:30. West Coast, I believe it starts at 6 a.m. because they're 3 hours ahead. The first thing I like to do when I wake up in the morning and get ready for the stock market, my girl will tell you I don't sleep. I sleep late because like I'm either doing a lot of research or I'm up watching videos to keep my mind circulating for new ideas. I know that might sound weird, but I like to watch Twitch, Fortnite competitions. It keeps my mind flowing and keeps it open. And what I mean by that is I'm calm. I'm very like relaxed. So when I'm calm and relaxed, a lot of ideas come in mind and a lot of thoughts starts to gather and stuff like that. And if you guys don't know, I've been trading for about 5 months now. I started September of last year, 2020, and I've been doing pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I put my girlfriend on, she's trading herself. So it's a pretty good way to make money, and a lot of people miss out on that opportunity. When I say on that opportunity, on trading and investing. And I would like to say this: you don't get rich by saving. You get rich by investing. You know what I'm saying? And if you're scared to invest, you would never see the greater opportunity of making money. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so many ways you can make money with the stock market. So again, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep it short, which is gonna get into the fundamentals on how to start, where to start, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys a stock to look into. Do your own DDs. DD stands for due diligence. Do your own due diligence when I recommend a stock. First, I like to make my tea. I don't know if you guys can see this in the video, in the camera, but I like, to drink my tea. Life is beautiful, because life is beautiful, man. People take life for granted at times. They don't know how beautiful life is because they just got their head wrapped around one problem, cluster their thoughts and mind with negative energy and negative thoughts. So life is beautiful. So I like to drink my tea, give me a little snack. My girlfriend just bought me give me a little nice beef patty. And then before the market opens, again, remember the market opens at 9:30. You start trading at 9:30 to 4. I like to read before the market opens. But I like to read my book. I do at least like 2 chapters a day. 1 is my max. 2 is my max. But because I like to get into the stock market. So I do that, and then I start doing my little due diligence on my iPad that my girlfriend bought me. On my iPad, I go online and start reading about the stock market. Why is it down? Why is it up? What new companies are coming out? I just start analyzing, reading news and stuff like that. I personally like, so again, guys, we're talking about, the basic of starting to invest. I basically like Yahoo News. I'm gonna show you. So when you go into Yahoo Finance, right? So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go to Sumerica because I already have it. You can search whatever stock you're looking at. So a good feature with Yahoo Finance is that you can see the moving average of the stock. You can see what it was at a year ago, 5 years ago. You can see the max, which I think is pretty cool. You can see the key statistics of it, like what's it, the volume of what's it trading at, and stuff like that. Another cool thing is you can actually go into the graph and enlarge the graph, make the graph big. If you scroll down, you see it says conversations there. Scroll down a little more. You can see like the latest news they have about the company, etc., etc. I like the conversation part. On the top, you can click top reactions, top reasons, and you can see the most recent comments. You can read them, you can interact with the people. I just think it's pretty dope. I love Yahoo Finance. People be sleeping on this app for real. So that's the feature that I like about Yahoo Finance. Correction, guys, is Yahoo Finance, not Yahoo News. Sorry, my apologies. Do my research on what stock I'm looking at for the day, what trades I'm gonna do, etc., etc. And that's the basic of me analyzing a stock. I like to use Yahoo News. There's other apps that you can use like Binance, TradingView, and I will go into further details again in my next video. So let's proceed with the video. So the website that I like to go to that's very reliable is called elitetrade.club. It's free. You can sign up for free. They give you all the morning signals 100% free. I recommend this 100%, guys. Then the next one that I'm going to give you guys is actually called openinsiders.com. Man, I got put on with this one with a TikTok video. Now, when you go to Open Insiders, one of the first things you want to do is make sure you click on where it says Insider title, click on CEO and CFO, and then uncheck sales. Just make sure purchase is checked and hit search. When you search, you'll be able to see a selection of all the latest stocks that the CEO, CFOs are buying from date to date, from today, from yesterday, months, or whatever. And what I like to do, I like to look at the purchases that they're putting in, meaning what they buying in at, what the percentage is. I go for the high percentage. You know what I'm saying? The higher the percentage, to me, the better it is. Last but not least, I like to do homework and I like to write. So, grab my little pen. I see you. Grab my little pen. It's my girlfriend's pen. My little notebook. And I write down a stock watch list. Right now it's short because, my watch list is actually on my RobinHood. I have about like 50 stocks that I'm watching. So I like to write stocks that, I read about in the morning. Write them down. Do my little due diligence and stuff like that. And then another great thing you guys should be doing, again, we live in a world where social media has been taken over. You know what I'm saying? Social media is undefeated. And least to say that anything you want to learn, you can go on YouTube. You're here on this video, you're here on my channel because you want to learn something. You know what I'm saying? And I've learned what I learned thanks to my two good friends, Mark and Isaac, and because of freaking YouTube. Everything I learned today is because of them and the resources that's out there. It's out there for free. I don't know why people are paying other people to teach them how to make money. How are you going to pay someone to show you how to get money? Like, that's something that I've never learned to wrap my mind around. But again, that's how people choose to make their money. I'm not going to knock them for they hustle. I'm not knocking their hustle. I would never knock someone else's hustle. But I would never charge people for the knowledge that I know and the knowledge that I want to give people. I would never charge. Make sure you guys save this video. I would never charge for when I'm either trying to teach you guys or showing you guys. I would never charge because ain't the plan for all of us to make it? for people to live that lifestyle they want. So why am I charging you to live that lifestyle you want, right? Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But anyway, I advise you guys, now this is advice. I advise you guys to start doing research and homework on what these meanings are in the stock market. Meaning you have to learn the terminologies of the stock market. So that's what I do. I write down terminologies and what they mean, and I study it. You know what I'm saying? Like RSI, relative strength index, you know, and then I write down what it's for. They're going for detail. I write down how you can use it, when is the RSI most reliable, etc., etc. So you get what I'm saying, right? You know, you guys have to learn these things. What's a pullback? What's a spike? What's a support? What's a resistance? You guys got to learn all this, and you know, I'm gonna help you guys through this journey. You know what I mean? Hopefully, you guys will be faithful enough to share my videos and tell your friends, and hopefully, you can find this video as useful as someone else might find it. So again, guys, do your research, do your homework, get your notebook, right? Gotta learn what the graph means, meaning you gotta learn that, you gotta learn the stock graph. You have to learn what the candlesticks mean, what the red and green means. Red means bearish, meaning it's going down. Green means bullish, is going up, you know what I'm saying? That's, again, I'm gonna explain that in the next video. Don't worry, guys, I got you. So that's it with the writing down and homework. I'm gonna end this video here with giving you guys a stock that I did my homework on, and it's a good stock. And hopefully you guys will do your due diligence and do your own research and be able to analyze the stock and know if the stock is good. So what I usually do is I go into Investopedias, like the Wikipedia for stocks. So the ticker symbol I'm giving you guys is QEP, Quep Resources. They got huge potential. It's a crude oil company. As you guys know, Joe Biden is our president, and he's very bullish about bringing back these oil companies and gas companies. So you could do your own little due diligence and read just like I did. This company has huge potential, guys. Do not sleep on it. I'm gonna take a sip of my tea before it get too cold. So good. I recommend drinking tea. It's really good. Yes, Joe Biden is very bullish about, you know, bringing back the oil companies and gas companies, because, you know, we had a very rough pandemic. Fortunately, we're still going through this pandemic. I'm praying that this pandemic ends this year in a couple months. So yeah, that's the stock of the day. Again, is Quep Resources Inc., which is ticker symbol QEP. Do your own due diligence before you invest in this company. You know, read about them. Go to Yahoo Finance. Type the ticker symbol in. Look at the conversations people are having about this company, and you go from there. So guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate this. If you guys want more updates and want to stay up to date with the market, what stock I'm putting out there, make sure you hit that bell notification, because it will tell you when either me or my girlfriend puts a new video out or posts a new video. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. If you comment the stock that you want me to look at, comment the stock that you want me to do some research on. Just comment whatever. If you're a beginner, if you're a pro, any questions you guys have, please make sure you comment. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Peace, YouTube family.